to go viral on YouTube. Without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or spending a single dollar. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But it's real. It's exactly how I made the entire video you're watching right now, start to finish, without ever touching a mic, opening a camera, or pulling out my wallet. And today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. No fluff, no experience needed, just free tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create professional animated kids' music videos. Videos that are fun, educational, and capable of racking up millions of views, even if you've never edited a single frame in your life. Why kids' music? Now, you might be asking yourself, why kids' music videos? Of all the niches out there, why this one? Simple. Because this space is booming. Kids' animated song videos are exploding on YouTube right now. Why? Because they're fun. They're evergreen. They're constantly being rewatched. And parents? Well, they love them because they keep their little ones engaged in learning. But here's the real kicker. You don't need animation skills. You don't need a studio. You don't need voice actors or fancy equipment. In fact, you can create these videos using completely free AI tools. No face, no voice, no problem. Case study. Proof of success. Still not convinced? Let me hit you with some numbers. Have you heard of a channel called Cumin? If not, you're about to. This channel is massive. We're talking over 190 million subscribers and a jaw-dropping 196 billion views. Yeah, billion with a B. And get this, it's estimated to be earning anywhere from $490,000 to $8 million per month just from YouTube ads. That's not counting sponsorships, merch, or licensing deals. And what kind of content do they make? Simple, colorful, catchy animated music videos for kids. No actors, no vlog-style content. Just clever songs and cute animations. And the best part? You can absolutely replicate this model at your own scale with the tools I'm about to show you. Step 1 is coming up with a catchy, educational song idea. But don't worry, you don't have to be a songwriter or a poet. Just open up ChatGPT. Yep, the same tool you're watching me talk about now. Type something like, write a fun, rhyming kids song that teaches the ABCs. Or, make a playful counting song from 1 to 10 with rhymes and repetition. Boom! In seconds, you'll get a full, structured song, complete with verses, rhythm, and kid-friendly language. You can even go niche. Songs about animals, colors, hygiene, emotions, you name it. Want the lyrics to be extra catchy? Ask ChatGPT to add repetition, alliteration, or even a simple chorus kids can sing along to. Once you're happy, copy the lyrics into a Google Doc so you can easily refer back to them. Turn text into music. It's time to bring them to life. This is where the magic happens. Head over to Suno AI, an absolutely mind-blowing platform that turns your written lyrics into full-on songs, complete with vocals and background music. Yes, even the singing is AI-generated. Sign up, and you'll get 50 free credits to start. Click on Create, select Custom Song, and paste in your lyrics. Then, choose a genre that matches your vibe. Maybe a fun nursery pop, upbeat jingle, or soft lullaby. Hit Generate, and wait for the magic. In less than a minute, you'll get a few song versions to choose from. Listen through, pick your favorite, and download the MP3. And just like that, you've got a professional-sounding song, creating visuals. Kids are visual learners, and the more vibrant and playful your video looks, the better. So now, let's turn those lyrics into images. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to help you build prompts. For every line of your song, generate a detailed visual scene with a cartoon worm peeking out of a red apple, bright, colorful, and super playful. Do this for every line to build your scene list. Now take those prompts to Leonardo AI, a free tool that turns descriptions into high-quality, animated-looking images. Use the Phoenix 3D render style for that rich, toy-like feel. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and generate your visuals. Download each image. One by one, your video is coming together. Animating the images. Got your images? Great! Let's animate them. Go to Hilo AI. It takes your still images and animates them into video clips. Think of it like giving your pictures a heartbeat. Upload each image, write a short animation description, like "the apple shakes as the worm giggles," and let Hilo generate the clip. Repeat this for every image in your song. Final editing magic. All right, it's time to bring it all together. Head over to CapCut, a beginner-friendly, free video editor. Create a new project, upload your animated scenes, and drag your AI-generated song into the timeline. CapCut also lets you auto-caption the lyrics so your visuals match the words on screen. Kids love singing along, so don't skip this part. You can add fun transitions, playful stickers, and background effects to keep everything exciting. Once your video flows smoothly, preview it, do some final tweaks, and export it in 4K. And there it is. You've just created a full-blown kids animated music video, all by yourself, all for free. No voice, no problem, no camera, still works, no budget. Doesn't matter. With just a few free AI tools, ChatGPT, Suno AI, Leonardo AI, Hilo AI, and CapCut, you've unlocked the ability to create viral-ready kids content that entertains, educates, and even earns. Whether you're doing this as a fun side project or as a serious channel-building strategy, this niche has massive potential. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment below with your favorite tool, and hit subscribe, because I've got more zero-cost, AI-powered video creation guides coming up soon. This isn't just the future of YouTube, it's your next income stream.